So hi everyone, hello. So today we've got something new.
Yes, we do.
Okay everybody, welcome to our channel. My name is Sam.
My name
My
is
wife is
Kika.
Kika. Okay, so today is our first video in English, and I tell you why. For those of you who are already following us, we have agreed to make this video in English because we are going to show you something new.
My new exhaust.
Okay, here we go. We have a new Black Widow exhaust for Kika motorcycle. Kika owns the 2017 Kawasaki Z650, a brand new bike from this year. Okay, there aren't many exhausts yet made for this bike, but Black Widow, which now is our partner, has made this exhaust recently. So this is brand new. This is actually just arrived into the market, and we have one here for Kika's bike, and we are going to show you. And this is why we are making this video in English, because we want to reach an international audience. So anyone who owns the 2017 Kawasaki Z650 can check them out. They are on Facebook. Follow Black Widow Exhausts. Go check them out on their website. We are going to post the links here and there, okay? Please go check them out. They are very, very professional. Their way of communication is very good. Please contact them if you have any questions. Or you can also contact us for any type of questions. Okay? No problem on that. Now let's do the unboxing. Yeah! What do we have here? Oh God. Jesus!
Oh, I have a hat.
Yeah, she has a hat. Oh! Yeah, I also have one. Okay, so very nice, very nice. We have new hats from Black Widow. But this is not about the hats. They look good, yeah. They look very, very good. But we are going to do the unboxing. Basically, we can...
It's me. It's mine.
Okay, she's going to do the unboxing. This is basically the collector pipes of the motorcycle. Please remember that the Z650 comes with a Euro 4 standard exhaust. It means that it got a cat box inside and also big pipes. In order to get rid of all of that, didn't want that, we need new pipes for the bike. And look at these brand shiny pipes. Just look at this. Very, very shiny stainless steel. Okay, these are all 100% stainless steel. Okay, the junction is already there. Okay, so this is one of the pipes. Oh, this is the other pipe. Another shiny pipe. Very nice indeed. Okay, we have two pipes now. Very nice. This is the pipe that is going to plug. This is the pipe where you're going to plug your lambda sensor or your O2 sensor, okay? Please remember that the O2 sensor must be connected, otherwise the ECU from the bike will be messed up, okay? Very important. And Black Widow takes care of this, and they remember all the time to put the O2 sensor connector here, okay? So we are going to plug our O2 sensor here.
Oh, it looks like a Y.
It is a Y, okay? This is the 2-to-1 connector. It's going to sum up these two into one, okay? It's the link pipe. 2-to-1. Ah, it's marked. 2 and 1. 1 and 2. Very nice, Black Widow. It's very, very nice when brands like these make such good examples and schemes for us while mounting. For me, it's like paradise.
More.
We have something also here. I can show you directly on the camera. This is the
Exhaust sealant.
okay, this time they have shipped some exhaust sealant. This is very important because when you are connecting the pipes, it's good that you have a sealant between the pipes so it keeps preventing from any kind of leak. Okay, this is very, very good. Thank you, Black Widow. Awesome. We also have Yeah, this is very good also. The instructions. Now I'm going to take the box away. Check this out. This is all the type of silencers that they have available for your bike. Okay, you can go check them out on their website. They are very nice. You can find any silencer for your bike, any type of collectors. This is the silencer, mounting instructions, how to fit the screws. They've shipped the strap and also some stickers.
Yeah. Stickers.
We are going to stick these here. Nice. Last but not least, we've got
Exhaust.
the...
Give me now. Aha.
This is the silencer that they have shipped for this bike, which is a 3-oval silencer. This is totally different from the silencer that we are used to. This is not oval, this is 3-oval. So you're going to see the shape of it. It's not the usual, but it's fucking awesome. Yeah, this is a nice bag that you can keep for later use. Okay, you can store your... Not your old exhaust, because the old exhaust is like old. The stock exhaust is very big and very... Very, very nice. I will let Kika do the talking now about the exhaust. What do you think?
Wait. Oh, it's beautiful. Ah, I love my new exhaust.
Okay, check this out. This is fully carbon made, carbon fiber here, okay? The tip of the exhaust is also made of carbon. They have kept the DB killer inside. We are going to take this away later because we don't want the DB killer, we want to make some noise. Again, without the DB killer, and now with the DB killer. And stock exhaust. Exactly like this. Just check out this detail again. The DB killer screw is inside this cap. This is very nice because I see all the time all the brands just put the screw and it's showing the screw. This way it doesn't get water and it's well hidden here. So you can take your little cap and you've got your DB killer screw inside. Just keep your tiny rubber here and we're good to go. Okay? This is very nice from Black Widow. Okay everybody, so I think we are finished with the unboxing. There are no... of course.
Of course.
Mounting...
Of course.
Mounting rubber belts or the metal strap. Okay? Another thing that we didn't show you is the instruction specifics for this bike. Okay? They are well explained. Okay? With a lot of pictures so you can follow, which I think it will be easier if you don't know how to mount it, which is good. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also the screws and some other stuff. A bracelet for Kika, which is not so funny, but okay. Okay, so we are going to continue this video now. We are going to mount the exhaust on Kika's bike. We are going to start by unplugging our exhaust, okay? As always, we are going to start by unplugging the lambda sensor from the bike. Just grab your wrench. The lambda sensor, the O2 sensor is on the other side of the bike, it's on the left side. Also you have to unscrew the exhaust from the left side of the bike, so I'm going to be doing things on the other side. Okay, so this is the O2 sensor. Just grab your 70 millimeters and start unscrewing the lambda sensor. It can be tricky if you don't unplug the cable. Okay, the lambda sensor is out, okay? As you can see, this is brand new lambda sensor, so you can see it's pretty clean. Okay, the O2 sensor. Denso from Denso. Okay, the lambda sensor is unplugged. Now we are going to unplug our collector pipes from the engine. Pipes are detached from the engine. We have removed the link joints. Now we are going to detach the exhaust. This exhaust is pretty difficult to detach when it's stock because you have to lock one bolt that is on this side, okay? One nut that is on this one side, you have to lock it, and the other side you have to put the wrench and detach it from the left side. So we are going to do that now. It's a little bit difficult. You have to put your wrench between your chain and your engine and your bike, and you have to attach it. Okay, this exhaust is very difficult to detach, the stock one. Now I'll let Kika do the weight test. Is it heavy, Kika?
What?
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Connector joint to the boat collector pipes. It's really easy, just plug your 2 into the 2 and your 1 into the 1. Just apply it to the edges as I was saying. Just apply it a little bit, then with your finger you can smoothly do this. And we are done. The exhaust mounting is complete. As you can see, it fits perfectly on the Kawasaki Z650 from 2017. It fits perfectly. Okay, about this mounting, it's really hard to do it because Kawasaki tends to put things well tightened together, like 1 millimeter head or before it be a huge difference for the exhaust. So be really careful while fitting your exhaust into the motorcycle because it's really hard. Don't tie the screws until you are done, okay? Just let them, give them a little turn, let them loose, okay? The screws will be loose. Here, there. Everything will be loose until you fit your silencer part. Once that is fit correctly into the bike, you can start tighten things up from the silencer to the collectors, okay? Then you start tightening. Everything is together, everything is well mounted. The lambda sensor is also plugged and attached. Looks very nice. Now we are going to do the sound test.